Blaine on the plane here. Tonight we're going to do a little work in the shop. We have one simple task ahead of us. We are going to paint the chassis, or most of it, the parts we can reach. The product I'm going to use is POR 15. Now this is like a military grade chassis paint. It says you can paint it right on the chassis right after you scrape the rust off. It also says you can buy their primer and their rust inhibitor. I talked to the guys who sell the stuff and they said, well, you can just paint it right on. So that's what we're going to do. The whole job will entail 2 coats of POR 15, 1, maybe 2 coats of top coat because it is UV sensitive. It doesn't like sunlight, so it will flake off. We have to protect it. So maybe we're looking at total of 3 coats, maybe 4, maybe 2 top coats. We'll see how it goes. That's a lot of painting. So hang in there and check it out. I've got most of the chassis prepped all the way up to the flywheel, and that's the part we're going to get covered. It has been scraped down and wire wheeled where the wire wheel will reach. And then we're going to paint on the rest, just as it is, as we can. We'll see how it works out. Wish me luck. So after the first coat, it's got kind of a matte finish. 3 hours later, second coat.
So we're coming in little planes.
Because POR 15 is not UV resistant, it still needs one more coat of paint to protect the POR 15. Here you can see the matte finish of the POR 15. This is just good old rust paint from the hardware store. I don't think you need to watch me paint again. So here's the finished product. It's glossy, it's black, and it's going to remain glossy. Well, that's enough painting for now. Time to move on, I think.